kitchen and I'm going to show you how to use your hand mixer, and my husband is here to help me. So I have twine here. I'm going to attach it, what do you call like an edge of a beater?
The beater's edge. The razor's edge.
Beater's edge. And then I'm going to grab my Rolag. I'm going to add a thread and see how this turns out. I'm going to add a new piece on. Add this one. Alright, so it's got lots of kinks, but that's okay. I'm going to stretch it out later and unravel it a bit, but you can see all the texture that's going on here. I've got some thread that I'm wrapping around as I'm spinning, and if you want to wind it on so you have more space, you bring it back to the base and turn it on. And it'll wind and stop. And you can wind it on here. And then just keep going, keep attaching whichever Rolex you want to attach. So we're in the kitchen now, and we've been in the kitchen. We are going to use the drill now. What I like about the drill is you can control the speed by the pressure of your finger, whereas the mixer I can't control the speed. Like I can't go any slower than the lowest setting. I think I need to take some off. There we go. Go a little faster. Stop. Pull this out a bit. Ooh, it's so pretty with the So here's the difference between the drill gun and the hand mixer. I'm going to take these off to show you what they look like. So here's the yarn we got. Oh, that part's so pretty. The coral in there. So here's what it looks like. I love all the different thicknesses, textures we've got here. Perfect way to use up all your scraps you have lying around.
Alright, we'll take the beater out of the drill. All you're going to do is unscrew this until it's nice and loose.
Oh, it's so
Slides
easy.
right out. And this is yarn. Spooled woven materials.
The texture seems to be more even. I was able to spread it out more evenly. A little more consistent tension overall. I like the drill a lot more than the mixer, but this goes to prove that you can use a mixer and a drill to spin yarn. And that was my experiment. And it worked, and I'm really happy with it.
Bye-bye.